Good morning, friends. At the last lecture, we studied expression for the potential energy, in which we learn two charges which is separated from the some distance, that is q1 and q2 are the two charges, and which are separated by the distance r from the each other. q1 and q2 are the both charges which is separated by small distance r, and from these two charges we can determine the expression for the potential energy. U of r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r q1 q2 upon r. This equation is written here. U of r is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r q1 q2 upon r. This is the equation of potential energy of two particle system at a distance r from each other. This equation is the potential energy, represent the potential energy of two particles, that is q1 and q2, and which is the separated by distance small r from each other. Therefore, this equation of potential energy is right two manner. First one is equal to q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r q2. This q1 q2 upon r are also the multiplied to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Therefore, we can write this equation q upon q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r q2 are the outside the bracket, and similarly q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r q1 is the outside the bracket. Therefore, this quantity q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r or q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, in which we consider a two charge q1 and q2. This quantity q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r is also represented by the v of r, and this is called as electrostatic potential. This quantity, this bracket, is also represented by v of r, and the quantity v of r is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r is represent, or it is called as electrostatics potential. In term of potential, equation of this q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r or q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r, we put this value is equal to v of r. Therefore, we can write this value q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r for the v of r, that is also v1 of r. v1 of r for what? Because of we consider the charge q1, and for this bracket this equation is written as q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r is also is equal to the v of r. Therefore, for the charge q2 we can write the value of v2 of r. Therefore, this equation of potential energy is written in the term of u of r is equal to v1 of r q2. This bracket is equal to the v1 of r. q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r is also is equal to v1 of r. We know that this quantity is called as electrostatics potential, and q2 is as it is. Similarly, this bracket is also is equal to the v1 v of r, but there is q2. Therefore, we can write this bracket is also is equal to V2 of R, and therefore is equal to V2 of R. Q1 is at as it is. Therefore from this equation we can write electrostatics potential energy, that is U, is equal to electric potential, that is V, into or multiply charge Q, that is equal to U is equal to V multiplied by Q. From this equation we can write the value of V. We know that V is the electrostatics potential. Therefore V is equal to U upon Q. Here Q is multiplied to the V, then Q is goes to the right side, then here is Q is multiplied to the V, therefore Q is goes to the denominator to the side U. Therefore we can write V is equal to U upon Q. From this equation V is equal to U upon Q. This is the potential. Which potential? Electrostatics potential. And this electrostatic potential U upon Q, from this equation we can write the electrostatics potential difference between any 2 points in an electrical field. From this equation we can write the electrostatics potential difference between 2 points. Electrostatics potential difference between 2 points. Therefore we can write for the 2 points, we write the two value for electrostatic potential, that is V2 and V1, and we can write the difference between these two electrical potential. Therefore difference means V2 minus V1 is equal to U2 minus U1 upon Q. From this equation V is equal to U upon Q. From this equation we can write the difference of 2 points, electrostatic potential difference of 2 charges, also 2 points. V2 minus V1 is equal to U2 minus U1 upon Q. U2 minus Q1. What is U2 and U1? U2 is the potential energy of second point. U1 is the potential energy of first point. Then this is the change in potential energy, change in electrostatics potential energy, and we know that change in potential energy means work done. Therefore we can write E is equal to dW upon Q. dW is the work done or change in potential energy. dW is work done or change in potential energy upon Q. From this equation we can say that work done per unit charge, to move the charge from second point to point first, that is the work done per unit charge. This is the electrical potential difference between any 2 points, and V of R is the electrostatics potential. This is the concept of potential. V of R is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. It is the electrostatic potential, and this electrostatic potential depends upon the charge Q. And the location of a point at a distance R. Yes, V of R depends upon the charge Q and the location of that point, that is the small r from the it. Okay, thank you.